Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering Paper 1. Question number 29 is a factory produces M bracket I is equal to 1 to 2M. Okay. Products which require processing on N bracket J 1 to 2N workstation. Let Aij be the amount of processing time that one unit of ith product requires on jth workstation. One unit of ith product requires on jth workstation. Okay. Aij is the amount of processing time that one unit of the ith product requires on jth workstation. Okay. Let revenue from the selling one unit of ith product be Ri and HI be the holding cost per unit time period for the ith product. Okay. The planning horizon consists of T is equal to bracket T 1 to T, okay, time period. The minimum demand that must be satisfied in time period T is DIT, and the capacity of the jth workstation in the time period T is CJT. Capacity CJT, and demand type T is DIT. Okay. Consider the aggregate planning formulation below with decision variable S T amount of ST amount of product I sold in time period. ST means amount of SIT sold. SIT is the amount of product I sold in time period. XIT amount of product I manufactured in time period T, and I small it amount of product I held in the inventory at the end of time period T. Okay, so maximum T is equal to 1 to T and I is equal to 1 to M. Okay, Ri is what? Ri is selling price. Okay, SIT Ri is selling price, and SI is your SI SIT, sorry. SIT is the amount of product I sold. Okay, this is RI is selling price, and SIT is amount of selling amount of product I sold. Okay, so this is the selling revenue. Okay, minus HI is holding cost, and IIT is your IIT inventory cost. Okay, holding cost or amount of. Okay, so this is the this we have to maximize. Okay, subject to the constraints are SIT should be greater than DIT, selling price should be greater than DIT. DIT is your demand. Okay, must be the template DIT, the minimum demand. Okay, and capacity constraint and inventory balance constraint. XIT, SIT and IIT are greater than 0, II is 0. The capacity constraint and in these two constraints and inventory balance constraint for this formulation are summation I to M Aij multiply XIT less than CIT CJT, sorry, and JT greater to GAT, and I this is your capacity constraint. Okay, IIT is equal to IIT minus 1 into plus XIT minus SI, and SI these are related to IIT. Okay. Next B, summation I to m aij it xit less than cjt it and iit iit minus 1 xit minus dit related to it. Okay, and c I to m aij xit less than equal to dit and related to iit, and iit iit minus 1 plus xit minus sit and related to iit, and d is I is 1 to m a ij xit less than dit and related to iit, and iit iit minus 1 plus sit minus xit related to iit. Okay, so these are the options. Okay, now aij is the aij is the amount of processing time that 1 unit of ith product requires on jth workstation. Okay, so aij is the amount of processing time that 1 unit of ith product requires on jth workstation. Okay, and xit is the amount of product I manufactured in time period t. Okay, xit is the amount of product I manufactured in time period t. Okay, and this is the amount, this is the time. Okay, so the total time will be multiplication of 2 multiplication of 2 for the ith product. Okay, and as there are one I is varying from 1 to n, so total time will be aij xit. Okay, and the but on that is on workstation j, but the capacity of workstation j is your cjt. Okay, so this processing time should be less than this time. Okay, so first constraint is capacity constraint is this summation I to m aij xit should be less than equal to cjt. Okay, now second constraint is of inventory balance constraint. Okay, the amount of inventory held up in time t is iit, and amount of inventory held in time t minus 1 is iit minus 1. Okay, so in the time period t minus 1 to t, let the amount of product manufactured is xit and amount of product sold is sit. So the difference of these two will be held in the time period t minus 1 and t, and previous inventory is iit. So the previous inventory was iit minus 1. So the total inventory is next inventory is iit previous inventory minus new inventory. Plus new inventory is xit minus sit. So second constraint is this. So option is the A option. Okay.